Hello guys, today we are going to understand what is the scientific reason or scientific proof behind the working of this very ancient field of palmistry. So to understand that, we'll have to first understand the subconscious brain. And to understand the subconscious brain, we have to keep in mind that the subconscious brain is the most powerful weapon of the humankind. It is the most consistent, most highly complex microprocessor sort of a system in the body, which keeps in control of almost all the involuntary actions of the body. Actions like the homeostasis or the temperature regulation, the blood circulation, digestion, even the peristaltic movement, all of these things are controlled by the subconscious mind. And the subconscious mind not only operates on a physical level, it operates on a very micro specific levels as well. Basically, the subconscious keeps an eye on every single cell on the body. It knows where the microbe is. It knows how to send the killer cells towards the microbe. It regulates everything in the body, even the hair growth. We have millions of hair on the head, maybe thousands now. The subconscious knows how to regulate them all, how to make them all grow consistently with time. The growth of the nails, everything is somewhere directly, indirectly is controlled by the subconscious mind. Now, if a subconscious mind has that much power that it can keep all the memory of all the billion cells lying in it, how can we expect that the subconscious mind does not affect our karmas? It does properly, and it controls, not only it controls our present karmas, it also keeps a track of the past karmas and even the past life karmas. Why am I saying that? Because for the subconscious mind, there is no time constraint. It is not bound by time in any way. It does not work on the principle of tenses. The conscious brain works on the principle of tenses: is, am, was, were. The subconscious brain does not. Remember how these law of attraction influencers, they say that the subconscious does not understand was or were. If you say I was sad, the subconscious is only going to focus on sad, and sadness is going to be the frequency for you for the next couple of minutes or time, whatever you say. So the subconscious brain is not bound by time in any way, and hence it knows all the past, present and future. You see these people who do hypnotism and they can know the past of the body and also the future. This is basically done by the activation or the control of the subconscious mind. Now we know that the subconscious does all the involuntary actions and how important it is for the body to sustain. It also controls the heartbeat, so basically it is the soul of the body, right? Now if it is called the soul by so many people, we should also learn to accept the fact that the subconscious is also responsible for controlling our karmic actions. It keeps a memory. The conscious brain is only able to keep 5% of the memory. The 95% of the memory is kept in the subconscious. And if a human being is able to control 100% of his subconscious, he is no less than a god. Along with all the physical activities, the subconscious is also responsible for keeping a track of our karmic actions. It knows about the past of the body, it knows about the past lives of the body, it has all memories intact, and the subconscious mind never sleeps, so you can never escape the reality. Whatever thought, action, frequency you are vibrating on, the subconscious is going to bring you the same results. This is what is destiny. I'll repeat again what destiny is. Destiny is not something which has been randomly written by God on one of his journals. No. Destiny is what our subconscious mind is controlling and has been controlling for us since all the past lives as well. So whatever good, bad we have done in this life, past tense, and in the past lives, it is all kept and maintained and recorded in the subconscious mind, and the subconscious mind makes sure that whatever we have done in the past comes back to us in the future as well. This is what is the principle of destiny, and this is the main principle of palmistry as well. Every action, karma, thought process that you have kept in your mind since ages, it is going to come back to you only. And to keep a track of all these things, the subconscious has given us the palm lines, and everything is imprinted on these palm lines. Remember, I told you how it controls even the microparticle growth of the hair. Just like that, it controls the palm lines as well. Every single part of the body is controlled and regulated by the subconscious mind. How can we believe that these lines on the hand are something which has just randomly appeared over a period of time? No. No two people in the world have the same lines, just like two snowflakes are never the same. The nature is very diverse in its functioning and it cannot be fooled. Yes. And the nature is so unique and so individual in its entire approach that actually no two people have the exactly same palm lines. At least I have not seen one yet. And why is that no two people in the world have the same palm lines? Why? Because everybody has different karmas, everybody has different frequencies, everybody does different actions, and everybody has attracted a different reality for themselves. Now, coming back to the basics. So, for us humans to perceive and to know and to decode what we have been doing as individuals in the past life, the subconscious gave us just a hint on the palm lines. And these lines basically are like the codes of the soul, and we can decode it with the process of palmistry. Some people decode it with the process of astrology, because even the time that we have taken birth in, the nakshatra that we have taken birth under, the control of planetary positions on us while the time of birth, everything in one way or the other regulates our future. But remember, it is just the exterior forces that are regulated by these planets. How internally you react is somewhere 40 to 60% is still in your hands. So you are no way bound to be a puppet of the universe. God has very beautifully created this destiny and free will and given us a life of our own. And that's how we control it.